Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing pretty well and making the most of these online classes. So, today we'll start with the new topic, that is inquiry letter. An inquiry letter is a formal letter written to inquire and get details regarding something that a person is interested in. It could be written with respect to an item that a person is interested in buying, a course that a person wants to study, a vacation trip that a person wants to go on. So basically, we write an inquiry letter when we want to know information or we want to get information about something. There are four types of inquiries. First would be solicited inquiry. An inquiry made in response to the seller's advertisement and publicity. For example, if I want to sell a phone, so the inquiry would be made from the buyer's side. So an inquiry made in response to the seller's advertisement. I made an advertisement for my phone, so the inquiry would be from the buyer's side. Next up we have is unsolicited inquiry, an inquiry made the buyer's own initiative. If I want to buy a phone directly, so I will directly inquire to the store. Next up we have is inquiry for some favor, an inquiry not about goods but some other information, maybe some special price or some favorable items. For example, if I'm a wholesaler and I want to buy products in bulk, so I would ask the dealer to give me some amount of discount, or because I'm buying the products in bulk, so that could be the inquiry for some favor. Next up is routine inquiry, an inquiry made by an old buyer in the usual course of business. So these are the 3 points that you always have to remember when you'll write a letter of inquiry. So a letter of inquiry should be straightforward, compact and courteous. Next, positive and confident in tone. Third, brief and to the point, yet clear, complete and correct. So next up we have is content, the subject heading. The subject heading should always be precise but would clear and appropriate enough. So this should inform the reader that this is an inquiry or request. For example, you want to inquire about something, so inquiry about textbook, request for brochure, query about specific course, question regarding product components. Next up we have is first paragraph. This should tell the reader what you want. Example, so the first letter would include your introduction part, that what you actually want to buy from that organization or buy from that company. First is please send me. You can use this line for the things that organization offers to send. I would be grateful if you could tell me for the things that are not normally offered to buyers. Like I said, if I'm buying something in bulk and I need a discount in the price, so that is not the general information that is given to all the buyers. There might be retailers as well and there might be wholesalers as well. So that depends from person to person. Next up is I'm writing to inquire whether. You want to know any specific information or the possibility of something. For example, if you are buying something, so you want to inquire that whether cash on delivery is available or not. So that could be I'm writing to inquire whether this thing is available or not, or the services is given by your organization or not. Next is second paragraph. This paragraph tells the reader why you are contracting their organization and give further details of the inquiry. First paragraph would include your introduction, that what you actually want. Second paragraph, that why you are contacting their organization. So there could be two reasons. Either you have contracted this organization earlier as well and you want to have a business deal with them again, or second could be that you have not contacted their organization earlier but you have heard about them from somewhere, maybe from your colleague, or you have seen their advertisement in a newspaper or a magazine. So example openings would be, I saw your advert in TOI on Saturday, or your company was recommended to me by one of my friend or colleague. Next up is final paragraph, and this paragraph should contain a polite expression of thanks to the reader. Example ending would be, thank you for your assistance, I look forward to hearing from you. This depends. These are just few examples that you can use while writing the letter. This is a sample question. I will read it out for you so that it would be easy for you to understand. So you are Secretary, Student Council of ABC School, Delhi. You are organizing an excursion to Manali. Write a letter to the Director Tourism Department, Manali, asking to give the information on the terms and conditions of conducting excursion. First, you will write the sender's address, that is ABC School, Delhi. Leave one line, then you will write the date in this format only: date, month, year. Next is receiver's address, the Director Tourism Department, Manali. Then again leave a line and write the subject: information regarding excursion. So it's very precise but clear enough. Next is the salutation: Sir. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 9th May 2020 about conducting tours. In this connection, I may inform you that Student Council of the school wishes to escort a group of 50 students to visit Manali from 15th May to 25th May 20. Therefore, I would like to know the following details about the excursion. So these are the information that the manager wants to know. Tourist spots to be included in the trip, availability of the accommodation, boarding and lodging charges, student concession if any, details about adventure sports. So you have to always write these information that you want to know in the form of pointers. Please give me the above details at the earliest so that we can finalize the trip. You are also requested to send me a prospectus containing all the relevant information. Hoping for an early response, leave a line: yours sincerely, ABC Secretary, Student Council. Now the name is not given, that is why we have written the name of the school only, ABC. This is your assignment question. Just go through the video carefully and then you will be able to. Thank you. Have a nice day.